Hello kids, a warm good evening to all my dear students. This is Divya Chandwani and I welcome you all on Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. So today is our first lecture in October. So I welcome you all in my class and today I'm not going to teach you a regular chapter of literature or grammar. I'm going to help you in something that you were asking me for so long. बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत टाइम से मुझसे बोल रहे थे कि मैम वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक fluent English. What should we do for that? Because we are not able to speak fluent English. So how we can practice it, or how we can become a fluent person? How can we speak fluent English? Because they were really confused about tenses, about the words. There were so many problems that my kids were facing. So here I am, and I'll just introduce myself and then let's quickly start our topic for today. Okay, so my name is Divya. I have done my BTech in electrical engineering. I have more than 2 years of teaching experience. I have mentored many students for NTSC and CPC board exams, and I'm a faculty in Kota, Rajasthan. So, yes, before starting the topic, I would quickly share some benefits with you all that you all can easily get when you will subscribe to an academy. The first benefit is daily live classes. Yes, you can interact with your educators, the live chat option. Plus, you will get live tests and quizzes. Third, kids, you will get structured courses. That means if you want to prepare for any Olympiad, any exam, you will get a structured and a design course for it. Next is Bacha Log unlimited access. That means you will have access to all the educators teaching on this platform. आपके पास multiple educators का access रहेगा. Plus you will get PDF notes. Plus all your doubts will be solved because fourth lecture of every educator is a dedicated doubt session. Okay, so you will get so many benefits. Okay, now kids, ये हमारी बेहतरीन टीम है प्लस की जो आपको पढ़ाएंगी. देवेंद्र सिंह सर, सिकंदर सर, दीपक सर, अंकित सर, डॉक्टर भावना मैम, सुजीत सर. ऑल दीज एजुकेटर्स will help you in master your subject. तो अगर आप इन सबसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप अपने सब्जेक्ट्स को मास्टर करना चाहते हैं, what you have to do is download an academy learning app, choose the goal that is CPC class 10. Okay, and then click on get subscription button. The three simple steps. Step 1, download an academy learning app. Step 2, choose your goal that is CBSE class 10. And step 3, click on get subscription button. It's that easy. Okay, so now kids, ये हमारा ऑफिशियल चैनल है टेलीग्राम का. आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट डाउनलोड द ऐप, टेलीग्राम ऐप, एंड सर्च ऑन टेलीग्राम quest 10 CBSE, or directly you can just copy this link and paste it over there, and then you can join our channel. In this channel you will get each and every thing. You will get all the information about your special classes, your YouTube classes. What you have to do is just join this wonderful channel. Now kids, this is our subscription part. This is a subscription plan for you. If you want to go for 6 months, आप ले सकते हैं, but the best would be try to go for at least 12 months or 24 months. ठीक है, क्योंकि 6 मंथ से आपकी जो कॉस्ट है वो काफी ज्यादा रिड्यूस हो जाती है. 12 मंथ्स में you don't even have to pay 15,000 rupees because you have this awesome referral code. जब भी आप पेमेंट करने जाएंगे उससे पहले ही नीचे लिखा हुआ होता है do you have a referral code. वहां पे अप्लाई करना दिव्या 10 and you will get an instant discount of 10%. And 15,000 की जगह you only have to pay 13,500 rupees. 25,000 की जगह you have to pay 22,500 rupees, and 36 months का plan is for 32,000. But when you will apply my code Divya 10, you just have to pay 28,800 rupees. So we all know kids, the schools are not starting regularly. It's not safe to go outside. अभी बाहर जाना safe नहीं है. कोचिंग्स में बहुत ज्यादा अनसेफ है बिकॉज श्योर नहीं है हम सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन हो पाएगी कि नहीं. बट अन अकेडमी में ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You will get so many benefits. That too at such a low price, 13,500, 22,500, or 28,800 rupees by applying this magical code that is Divya 10. Okay, chalo. So now let's quickly start our topic, our session for today, that is how to speak fluent English in a month. Are you all ready? Quickly let me know in the live chat. Chalo. So how to speak fluent English in a month? So I promise you kids, you will be able to speak good English in a month, but you just have to follow these steps. You have to follow these things that I'm going to tell you in today's session. आपको ऐसा लग सकता है कि यार ये सब बातें सुनी सुनाई हैं. When I was a kid, I used to think the same. But then my perception changed. Honestly, I won't lie. ऐसा मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कि बचपन से I was really bad in English. I was not at all good, and then suddenly I started speaking English. So I won't lie to you. Okay. So I want all my kids to understand what I'm telling you is, if you are good in English, still you should follow these steps. But if you're not good in English, okay, then you should definitely follow these steps. And I promise you, your English will definitely improve. Okay, kids, when I was in school, my English was normal when I was in 8th or 9. You can say till I guess 7th or 8th. Yes, but then I started, reading this English newspapers. Okay, I started reading Times of India, the Times of India. Okay, when I was hardly in I guess 7th at that time. Yeah, I was in 7th. So I started reading this newspaper. Okay, and then I realized कि मेरी जो English है वो कहीं ना कहीं improve हो रही थी. So in today's session, I'll tell you my story also, that how I improved, and I'll tell you some tips that how you can improve your English. Okay, so let's see first point. Why students think English is so hard to speak? Right. So there are two key points that I have noticed and I have searched कि ऐसा दो points होते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, chal. So why students think English is so hard to speak? Okay, first of all, we should keep this thing in mind that English is not so hard to speak, right? Like we speak Hindi. Similarly, in other countries, in foreign countries, English is their language. So it's not difficult to speak, but we just need to learn the steps. We should just learn the tricks how we can improve it. So there are mainly two reasons which cause difficulty in speaking English. Okay, तो सबसे बड़ी जो प्रॉब्लम है वो हम डेफिनेटली डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आज के सेशन में. तो फर्स्ट इज किड्स इम्प्रॉपर नॉलेज. ओके, इम्प्रॉपर नॉलेज ऑफ ग्रामर. अगर आपको ढंग से टेंसेस पता नहीं है, राइट, इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट the structure of the tenses, when and where to use which tense, or what is the structure of simple present tense, simple past tense, then definitely you won't be able to speak correct English. I have seen so many students, okay, I've seen so many students last year. What they used to do was they used to speak like this. Okay, I did not. Okay, so for example, this was the sentence: I did not dash to school. And I have literally seen kids using, I have seen people using did के साथ second form of verb. They used to use went. Okay, so that was absolutely incorrect. I know people are aware about it कि यहाँ पे हमें क्या use करना होता है V1, but still I have seen kids doing such mistakes. So बच्चों, why proper knowledge of grammar is important? So you will speak correct English. Okay, I did not go to school. This would be the correct sentence. Okay, I've seen people putting ing after almost all the verbs, but that is not the case. आप हर verb के पीछे ing नहीं लगा सकते हैं. जैसे कि have के पीछे ing नहीं लगता है. Right? We avoid using ing after have. Right? So there are so many other verbs जिनके पीछे हम ing use नहीं कर सकते हैं. Similarly, did के साथ we always use first form of verb. So the correct knowledge, the proper knowledge of grammar is really really important if you want to speak fluent English and if you want to speak correct English. Okay, less knowledge of vocabulary words. Yes, now again, if we are short of words, right, if I'm short of words, that means I want to speak something. The thing is, in my mind, I know how to speak it in Hindi, but then when I try to speak it in English, just a second, kids. Yes, so knowledge of vocabulary words is really important because if I have something in my mind and then when I want to speak it, I know how to speak in Hindi, but I don't know the exact word for that Hindi word. So that means my knowledge of vocabulary words is not good. So improper knowledge में आपको क्या क्या improve करना है? Improper knowledge of grammar should not be there. You should know the proper structure of tenses, when and where to use which tense. Okay, then knowledge of vocabulary words is really important. आपको उसके लिए सही word पता होना चाहिए. कल रात को मैंने करेला खाया खाने में, right? So you know it in Hindi, but then if you have to convert it into English, then students, my kids are sometimes confused. हम क्या बोलेंगे? I ate bitter gourd last night. So when I'll be able to speak such sentences when I'm clear about the words. Okay, so knowledge of vocabulary words is really really important. And I have seen kids, मुझसे बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं कि मैम हम ये चैप्टर क्यों पढ़े, ये चैप्टर क्यों नहीं पढ़े. They are just confined to their both syllabus. Kids, I really want you, if you want to be confined, please be confined in literature, but please do not be confined in grammar. I think आपको सारे टॉपिक्स पढ़ने चाहिए ग्रामर में अच्छे से, because it will reflect in your personality, right? If you will learn tenses, you will be able to use it in a appropriate manner, right? If you will learn prepositions, you will be able to learn what's the difference between a crossover, besides. So इससे क्या होगा, इनको जानने के बाद आप इनको सही जगह पे सही तरीके से यूज कर पाओगे. सो देयरफॉर knowledge of grammar is really really important. Okay, slangs that are used in our daily routine. आपको वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स की बिल्कुल नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. स्लैंग्स क्या होते हैं बच्चों? स्लैंग्स होते हैं वो वर्ड्स या फ्रेजेस जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं. बट स्लैंग का मतलब क्या होता है? जो हम लोग इनफॉर्मल तरीके से ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, इनफॉर्मल तरीके से यूज करते हैं, नॉट यू कैन से फॉर्मली. तो वो सब जो वर्ड्स हैं, हमको अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स पता होने चाहिए अगर हमें किसी से कॉन्वर्जेशन करनी है तो. ओके, so this was the first point, that was improper knowledge of grammar and vocabulary words. Because of all these things, kids think that English is too difficult to speak. But now I have few solutions for you, that if you will follow these simple yet magical steps, then definitely you will be able to speak fluent English in a month. Okay, the first solution for you is make your grammar strong. As I've already explained, grammar is really really important if you want to speak correct English. Okay, so if you have proper knowledge of grammar, if you have improper knowledge of grammar, then first thing you have to gain proper knowledge of grammar. As explained, you should be aware about tenses. ठीक है, एक्टिव पैसिव डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट में नहीं बोलूंगी आपको, फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश में काम आएंगे बोलते वक्त, बट यस, tenses is really really important. Okay, plus I think if you are aware about adjectives, if you are aware about prepositions, ठीक है, कौन सा कब कहाँ यूज करना है, so you will be able to speak correct English also. Okay, for this you can take, oh, this is wrong, I'll correct it. For this you can take help from your grammar book. You can take online lessons that I'm already giving you, or you can ask your friend to help you. So for example, um, um, I know it's Corona time, so you are not able to interact with your friends much. But for example, you call your friend and you just had a telephonic conversation. You are about to have a telephonic conversation. So what you can do is you can tell your friend that I'm trying to improve English. So can you please help me with that? Can we please interact in English so I can improve my English slowly and gradually? Okay. Similarly, if you have siblings, आपके अगर brother हैं, sister हैं, elder sister है, younger brother है, what you can do is you can ask your siblings um, to start the conversation in English, so you can also give the answers in English, and it will definitely help you in speaking good English. It will definitely help you in speaking good English. So what you have to do is first make your grammar strong, and then try to interact with your siblings or your friends in English. So आपको जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम आती है ग्रामर में, आप उस पर फोकस करेंगे, दैट ओके, I don't know this word, let me search it on Google, or let me search it in a dictionary so I can improve my English. Okay, So clear now. First step, what you have to do is, kids, make your grammar strong. And second, what you have to do is start interacting with your teachers, with your friends and siblings in English. Okay? Chalo. Second step, what you can do is you can buy English conversation books. Okay? So this type of book, it contains small conversation topics between people. ठीक है, अगर आप कॉन्वर्जेशन बुक्स परचेज कर सकते हो तो उसमें आपको क्या देखने को मिलेगा, छोटी छोटी कॉन्वर्जेशन देखने को मिलेगी आपको दो लोगों के बीच में। ऐसे दे देंगे वो लोग, राम इज स्पीकिंग, ये राम का सेंटेंस हो गया, then next शाम का हो जाएगा। okay, so you will see little small conversations between two people. So when you will read those slangs, first of all आपका जो confidence है वो improve होगा, आपको ये पता चलेगा that how can I start a conversation, right? What is the right way to start a conversation? Because manners and etiquettes, they are really important. So you will learn how to start a good conversation. You will get little confidence after reading those conversations. Plus you will learn so many vocabulary, new vocabulary words. अच्छा यार, इसका मतलब ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको कोई भी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड देखने को मिल गया, ठीक है, सपोज राम बोलता है कि आई वॉज फ्लैबरगैस्टेड, तो आपने ये न्यू वर्ड देखा, दैट वाज flabbergasted, बट नाउ यू वर लाइक ओके यार, आई डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ flabbergasted, मुझे तो इसका मतलब पता नहीं है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू, वेन एवर यू विल रीड इट, अगर आपको ऐसे वर्ड्स देखने को मिले डिफिकल्ट जिसका मतलब आपको नहीं पता है, ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल डू इज, आप उसको डेफिनेटली सर्च करेंगे, एंड सिमिलरली इन दैट वे यू विल लर्न अ न्यू वर्ड एंड मीनिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड। ओके, यार बच्चों, मैंने एक गलती कर दी थी, मैंने सिंगल बी लगाया था, बट एक्चुअली flabbergasted हैज double b। okay, so now what is the meaning of flabbergasted? It means surprise. Okay, if someone is surprised greatly, if that person is astonished, that is known as flabbergasted। बहुत बार ऐसे words हमें पढ़कर ही सीखने को मिलते हैं। So definitely you should start reading a small little conversation between people, so you can understand how to start a conversation. Okay, chalo. Third step, what you can do is buy novels and dictionary. If you are not a good reader, if you are not a keen reader, I would suggest you to develop this habit in you, that is purchase novels. Okay, buy novels of any type. I am not telling you कि जैसी novel मैं बोल रही हूँ अब वैसी पढ़ो, I am interested in thriller things, but if you are interested in comedy, if you are interested in drama, whatever is your interest, buy novels of any type that you like, okay, and start reading it. It will it will help you learn new vocabulary words and their meaning. It will make your knowledge more stronger. Okay, so what you can do is buy novels. Okay, आपका जो भी इंटरेस्ट, एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, उसकी नॉवेल्स परचेज करिए। ठीक है, यू विल लर्न डेफिनेटली न्यू वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स, आप उनके मतलब सीखोगे व्हेन यू विल सर्च इट। इट विल improve your knowledge, it will make your knowledge more stronger, and you will develop a habit of reading also, and therefore you will become a good reader. Because I think when a person is a good reader, he can be a good writer, and then when he is a good writer, he can be a good speaker, right? Because if you are not able to jot down your words, अगर आपको लिखना नहीं आ रहा है properly, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे, right? लिखने के टाइम क्या होता है, हम लोग के माइंड में चीजें आती हैं, ओके 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 ओके, आई वांट टू राइट दिस, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट डाउन। So when you will be able to write it down, then you will be able to speak it also. प्रॉब्लम किस में आती है, हमें इंग्लिश को फ्रेम करने में। So that should not be the case, and we will learn so many solutions to your problem. Okay, fourth step, kids, if you're not able to speak fluent English, the fourth solution for you is start watching English movies. As I've already told you in in so many classes, kids, please start speaking English. And if you want to improve it, what you have to do is start watching English movies. आप लोग हिंदी movies भी देखते ही हैं, right? I know. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि दिव्या मैम ने बोला तो आप पूरे दिन movies ही देख रहे हो. No, I'm not telling you to do that. I am telling you, if you want to improve your English, if you want to speak fluent English, you're watching Hindi movies also once in a week. or twice in a month maybe. So at that time you can you can watch English movies or English dubbed cartoon series, whatever you like. आपको जैसा ठीक लगे आप वैसा देख सकते हो, but they must be with subtitles. Okay, one of my cousins literally he told me, because when he was in 12th or I guess in 10th, his English was quite normal. And one day I asked him, okay, oh my God, you speak so good English nowadays. How you improve your vocabulary? He literally told me that the I started watching English series, okay, with subtitles, and it literally helped me in improving my vocabulary. So I'm not kidding, kids. It is literally tested. Okay, this exercise will definitely help you to improve your listening skill, and then you will come to learn the accent, how to speak words, where you should take pause, and many more things about English speaking. Right, kids? So English movies will teach you intonation, it will teach you tone, it will teach you punctuation marks. That means आपको कहाँ पर रुकना है, कितना पॉज लेना है, एंड उसकी वजह से आप एक अच्छे लिसनर भी बनोगे. तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू बच्चों, अगर आपको एक अच्छा स्पीकर बनना है, so first what you should do is you should be a good listener, or you can be a good reader also. Then you will become a good writer and then a good speaker. So what you have to do is it will improve your listening skills. I have worked in companies before this also, and I'm telling you this from my personal experience. Um, when I started working in 2017, okay, I was put on a call with the Australian client, okay, and I was supposed to speak to him, and literally, I'm not kidding. On the very first day, I was not able to understand even the entire sentence, okay, because that was so new for me, and that was so difficult, because because I haven't ever heard it. I've never practiced it, and I've never ever spoken to an Australian person before. It was really difficult for me in the starting. So please trust me, it's difficult for almost everyone. Yes, beginnings are difficult, but okay, there are few spelling mistakes in this, so I'm just correcting it. Okay, but when you will start practicing it, trust me, kids, everything will be super super easy. Okay, so now, kids, yes. So this was my first experience. It was really, really bad, and I was like, "Oh my God, I won't be able to do it. I'm not able to speak to an Australian client. How would I be able to do it?" And then after a few days, it was like after 1 week, or you can say after 10 days, I was able to understand their accent because I changed my, you know, idea. I was not a good listener at that time. I was like, okay, सुनना है. But then I was like, नहीं यार, बिल्कुल ढंग से ध्यान से सुनना है, because I need to learn this thing. I need to learn the accent. I need to understand how they are speaking. Okay, so if you want to be a good speaker, try to be a good listener first and start watching English movies. If you are really interested in cartoon series, watch English dubbed cartoon series, but they must have subtitles so you can understand what they are speaking. So for a month, please do it. And after a month, I think if you won't have subtitles, if you won't have subtitles, still you would be able to understand the movie or the cartoon series. Not the entire movie, but you will understand it without subtitles also. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा problem नहीं आएगी. So this is literally tested. My cousin has told me, and I've told you listening skills are really really important. I've told you my example also. So when I spoke to that Australian client, I was not able to do it. Then after that, I spoke to people from who belong to USA and UK, and then I was able to catch their accent because I was being a keen listener. So that's really, really important. Improve your listening skills, and then automatically you will be a good speaker. Okay? The next point is read English newspaper daily. As I've told you again, this I have tested when I was in seventh, I guess. I started reading English newspapers. Okay, because it really helped me and it really improved my English a lot. I got to know so many new words. Okay, and what I used to do daily was, kids, यार फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको सच बता दूं, अपना मैं पूरा टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया नहीं पढ़ पाती थी, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई वाज आल्सो अ किड. ठीक है, तो मैं पहले उससे चालू करती थी. ओके, जो भी मेन जो न्यूज होती थी वो देख लिया आपने. उसके बाद जो भी उसमें डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स रहते थे, आई यूज टू अंडरलाइन देम, और डायरेक्टली व्हाट आई यूज टू डू वाज आई डायरेक्टली यूज टू राइट इट इन माई कॉपी एंड तब तो मेरे पास ऑब्वियसली फोन वगैरह नहीं थे, so I used to search it in dictionary and then I used to write the word of that. I used to write the meaning of the word. Okay, so as I've told you, flabbergasted, for example, if I've learned this word, so this was my notes copy, and suppose I've learned this word flabbergasted. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll write down the word and then I'll write down the meaning. That was surprised or astonished. Okay, so I'll write down the meaning. Meaning से क्या होता था, मुझे उस word का मतलब याद भी हो जाता था. And for example, if I forgot the meaning, then I can still refer to my notes, my vocab copy. Okay, kids, so this is the way you can improve your English, and that's really, really important. And what I used to do was, as I was a kid, I was not able to read the whole Times of India, so I used to read the first page. Okay, noted all the points, all the difficult words. Okay, then I used to go to the Bollywood section because I was really interested in Bollywood section. Okay, क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. So that was my interest, my area of interest at that time. I used to read the Bollywood news also in English. It really, really helped me in improving my English. And you won't trust me, after 1 year, I was the news in charge of my school. It really, really helped me. Okay, then I became the news in charge. Okay, then what happened? I don't have to start reading. I never started then. Okay, I already had this habit of reading English newspaper. So when even I became the news in charge of my school, then it was in my practice. So at that time it was so easy for me. So okay, so for example, if I started in seventh, okay, it was difficult for me because I started it. But when I was in eighth and when I became the news in charge of my school, at that time it was quite easy for me because I was already practicing it on a daily basis. I had so many quotes with me, I had so many new words with me, and then I was aware about the news also. What I used to do was, पहले टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ लिया, नेक्स्ट डे हमको जाके जो न्यूज थी वो कॉरिडोर में ऐसे बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगा रहता था, उस पे लिखनी होती थी, एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स विल रीड दैट न्यूज. ओके, दैट वाज ऑप्शनल, जिसको पढ़ना है पढ़ो. ठीक है. So what I used to do was I used to मैंने जैसे सुबह पढ़ा न्यूज़पेपर में अगर, so I used to note down the important points. Okay, and then after the assembly I used to go to the board and then I used to write the important points there in, you can say, 4 points or 5 points. And after that we were supposed to write thought of the day. Thought of the day में the quotes I accumulated, that I used to write there, and I used to get it checked by my teacher before writing it. So अगर वो correct होता था तो मैं लिख देती थी जाके, simple. So literally, if you will start practicing it today, one day it will definitely reflect in your personality. Please, kids, don't think, ma'am, why we should work hard from now only. If you will start working hard from now, you will definitely get it in your life in few years. For example, if you'll start working hard today, you will get it in your college. In your college, your personality, your aura will be absolutely different. You will be speaking so good English, you will be so fluent. People will ask you how you improve your English, how you can speak so good English, or how you are fluent at it. Okay, and maybe if they will not ask, still your confidence will be on another level. Okay, आई वॉन्ट कि आपके लिए इंग्लिश जो है वो आइसिंग ऑन द केक की तरह काम करनी चाहिए. जैसे कि अगर आप बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में अच्छे हैं तो आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज भी सीखनी चाहिए. आइसिंग ऑन द केक का मतलब क्या होता है? सोने पे सुहागा, राइट? So for example, if you're good in other subjects also, if you will be good in English also, that will be icing on the cake. Because if you have knowledge, but if you don't know the language, you won't be able to explain it to others. But if you have knowledge, plus you know the language, then you will conquer the world. That's I believe in. So I want all my kids to just kill it and just rock the world. The next point is install some English vocabulary and English quiz apps. So if you know such good apps or if you already have it in your phone, that's fantastic. Please start practicing it daily, and your knowledge of English will get stronger and you will become more confident. Okay. इंग्लिश क्विजेस वैसे मैं भी बहुत लेती हूँ, आपको पता ही है. बट यस, दे आर एमसीक्यू, दे आर इन एमसीक्यू फॉर्म. सो बेसिकली व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज वोकैबुलरी क्विजेस लिया करो, जिससे कि आपको नए नए वर्ड्स जो हैं वो प्रैक्टिस हो और आप सीखें. एंड इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी की प्रैक्टिस वी विल डेफिनेटली डू इन आवर स्पेशल क्लासेस. सो स्टे ट्यून विद मी. ओके. Chalo, let's see the next problem that students or kids usually face while speaking English. Okay, the second problem that I've seen is hesitation. Okay, हेजिटेशन क्या होता है बच्चों? हिचकिचाहट, राइट? तो ऐसा बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझसे लिटरली आके बोला है, बिकॉज आई यूज टू टीच लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो ऑफलाइन, सो मेनी किड्स हैव टोल्ड मी, ऑनलाइन में मुझे बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बोला है दैट मैम वी हैव दिस hesitation in our heart or in our mind that we won't be able to speak English. So if you want to, conquer the world, आपको हेजिटेशन पीछे छोड़नी होगी. आपने कभी भी सुना है क्या कोई बहुत बड़ा व्यक्ति हो वो हेजिटेट कर रहा हो स्टेज पे बोलने से? नहीं. Beginning में maybe they used to hesitate, but yes, beginnings are always difficult, but ऐसा नहीं है कि आगे जाके भी आप hesitate करोगे. Hesitate मतलब वही है बच्चों, हिचकिचाहट या फिर रुक रुक के बोलना कि नहीं हमें डर लगता है हम कैसे बोलेंगे लोगों के सामने. आई बिलीव इन इज कि हेजिटेशन का सबसे बड़ा सोल्यूशन है, इसका बिल्कुल अपोजिट जो है वो है कॉन्फिडेंस. If you are really confident enough, right? For example, you are speaking incorrect English, or if you're not fluent at it in the starting, but your confidence matters a lot. Okay, as I promised you in today's session, I will tell you some my real life stories so you can relate to me also that ma'am started when, okay, or how and when I started. So I told you I started reading English newspaper when I was in seventh, and it literally helped me when I was in eighth standard. Then I told you my example of my first company also when I spoke to an Australian client. So I'll tell you one more incident of my college. So when I was in my college, before that, um, you know, I've never ever, I've given a speech actually, but I've never ever addressed so many students together. Okay, that I've never ever done in my school life. So I was a news in charge. I used to participate in debate that were conducted in my classes, but there were only 60 students, you can say, in my class. Okay, but then when I was in college, as my English was fine and people used to think that I can speak, so my teachers used to think that I will be able to do it because they had this confidence in me. But at that time, I did not have confidence. Trust me, kids, I think I won't be able to do it. I was like, I am gone. I can't do it. I was like this. But when I was selected in the very first year of my college, I was supposed to address students, almost 800 to 1,000 students. Okay, so that was OAT of our college, and I was supposed to speak in front of 1,000 students, approximately 800 to 1,000 students. तो भी फंक्शन हो रहा था, मुझे उसका वहां पर उस पर बोलना था. ठीक है, तो आई हैड टू एड्रेस सो मेनी पीपल, बट बिफोर इवन स्टेपिंग ऑन स्टेज आई वाज लाइक आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट. मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट हैव कॉन्फिडेंस. Okay, because I did not have confidence at that time. But trust me, kids, I just trusted my vibe, and I was like, when I was stepping the stairs, till that time I was like so nervous. ऐसा बोलते ना, I was, you know, I was stammering at that time. मैं रुक रुक के बोल रही हूँ, like, oh my God, if I'll speak like this, I'm gone. I will never ever be selected again. What I'm doing? So when I was stepping the stairs of the stage, I was like, okay, Divya, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. And trust me, when I had that confidence in myself, and then literally I was able to address them so beautifully. I just started it. It was so beautiful. It was so surreal. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से सबको address किया आराम से. The end was so good when I ended it. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से है ना वेगस के बारे में मैंने बोला. That's क्या बोला था मैंने? I still remember it. Okay, ऐसा कुछ ऐसा कोट बोला था मैंने, एवरीथिंग दैट happens in Vegas, that stays in Vegas. Suddenly I started, saying all these quotes. But that was not a part of my script. वो बोलते ना इम्प्रॉम्प्टू होने लगता है, अचानक से आपको चीजें याद आने लगती हैं कि अच्छा यार अभी ऐसा माहौल है अभी पब्लिक का, तो लेट्स पुट दिस शायरी, लेट्स पुट दिस कोट. So I literally started doing it, and it was my first that was the very first time I was addressing so many students. Okay, so at that time, when I gathered all my confidence from here and there, and then I was able to do it. So what I'm telling you today is absolutely tested. ऐसा नहीं है कि यार ये मैम ने टेस्ट नहीं करा, मैम ऐसे ही बोल रही है कि कॉन्फिडेंस से क्या होता है। अगर आपको नहीं भी आता है, राइट, बट इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ, पीपल विल लिसन टू यू। ओके, ऐसा नहीं है मैं गलत इंग्लिश बोलनी है, बट इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, okay, then please start these conversations, and sooner or later you will definitely speak correct English, but confidence is really really must. Okay, so these were few of my stories that I've shared with you. I hope you liked it. Okay, so this is how I address so many people and kids. Uske baad, you won't trust me. Uske baad, I used to give auditions, every year, and I used to get selected. So that literally boosted my morale, right? So how it began? It began in the very first year when I was just a small kid, who was just 18-year old, not at all confident, but it really boosted my confidence. And I guess when I was in uh, yes, at the end of second year, I was selected from my college and I represented my college in IIT Mumbai. That was in their cultural fest that is known as Mood Indigo. So I went there, I participated in debate. I was not first there, but yeah, I was pretty well there. So that's how, confidence helps you in conquer the world. Okay, so I want all my kids, please do not hesitate. Okay, what you have to do is start your conversation with your friends, classmates, or colleagues जिनसे भी आप बात करना चाहते हो. If we try to change our way, we start thinking like that. हम सोचते हैं usually what will my friends or other people will think about me. ठीक है, हम यूजुअली सोचते हैं, तो दिस इज हेजिटेशन, हमको ये नहीं सोचना है। इफ दे आर थिंकिंग आई एम स्पीकिंग रॉन्ग इंग्लिश, आई एम नॉट फ्लुएंट इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, let them do their job. But what I am doing is I am practicing it, and one day I'm sure I will be able to speak correct English, fluent English, and I'll be really really confident. Okay, हम usually सोचते हैं यार अगर वो सोचेगा if I am a fool, then what will happen if I look like a fool? कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. If they think you are a fool, then they are fool, not you, my kids. So please, please, please start practicing it with your friends, your siblings, or if you're अगर आपके मम्मी पापा भी आपसे बात कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश में, then please go for it and start practicing it. Okay. So now, what are the solutions for this problem, that is hesitation? First solution I've already given you, because according to me that was the most important solution. That was confidence. So first will always be confidence for me. I've told you so many my stories that helped me in becoming a good speaker. So I want all of you to first accumulate all your confidence, and it will change your personality and aura definitely. Okay, next solution for you is set up your mind. First of all, you need to stop thinking. First of all, you need to stop thinking about others. Okay? As I've already explained you, आपको बाकी लोगों के बारे में सोचना छोड़ना होगा. Don't think that what they will think about you if you make a mistake. अगर आपसे कोई गलती भी होती है तो let it be, no problem. ऐसा मत सोचो कि वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. वो भी कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है, और अगर वो परफेक्ट हैं भी तो आप भी तो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव ही कर रहे हो ना अभी. Every story has a great beginning. So yes kids, because of this I was telling you my stories, because every great story has a beginning. जितने भी बड़े बड़े महान लोग हैं, आप अगर उनकी स्टोरीज पढ़ोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा when they started it was difficult for them also. It's always difficult in the beginning, then it's normal in the middle, and at the end it's wonderful because you have worked so hard to become that person that you are today. Yes, every story has a great beginning, and you are going to write your own story. So please, kids, trust me, you will be able to make your own story. Just follow the steps that I have told you today. Okay, you don't need to worry about your mistakes. Okay, you don't need to worry about your mistakes. Everyone do mistakes, but remember, if you will get success, no one will remember your mistake. So that's what I was trying to explain you कि बच्चों गलतियां सबसे होती हैं. Every ग्रेट स्टोरी हैज अ बिगनिंग, सबने कभी ना कभी स्टार्ट किया होता है. मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था, आई वॉज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट. व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, I was confident, okay, but then I started this habit of reading newspapers daily, and then it helped me a lot when I became the news in charge of my school. When I went to college, in school I've addressed 60 kids, 60 students, but then when I was in college, I was supposed to address 1,000 students. I was scared, but then again my confidence boosted my morale. And then when I went to I when I started working in a company that was actually an MNC. I'm not kidding. When I started working in an MNC, at that time also I was like, I will be able to do it or not. I'm not able to speak to that client. What I'm going to do? But then again, because of my confidence, because I became a good listener, I gradually learned the accent, and then I was able to do it. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टार्टिंग में किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है, सबको प्रॉब्लम आती है, बट वन डे योर हार्ड वर्क इज गोइंग टू pay for you. Only thing that people will going to remember, that they will going to remember is your hard work and result. Okay. तो अगर आप कुछ गलत बोल भी रहे हैं तो लोगों को शायद आज याद रहेगा, बट 5 साल बाद when your success will speak, they will forget each and everything. Okay. Next, and the very basic solution is start chatting in English from this point of time only. Okay. It will give you more confidence about your language and knowledge. Okay. Try to chat as more as you can in English. And if you are not able to make sentences, you can take help from your friends, teacher, or from anyone. So I'm always there to help my kids. Okay. So if you have any doubt, if you want to ask me something, you can definitely ask me, because you all know I'm always ready to help my students, my kids, because you mean the world to me literally. And that was all about today's session. Please let me know if you liked it. आपको मजा आया तो प्लीज मुझे लाइव चैट या स्पेशल क्लास में जरूर बताना क्या आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल हुआ, क्या जो स्टेप्स मैंने आपको बताए हैं क्या आप वो अब से फॉलो करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Please start following these steps from today only. Start reading an English newspaper. Start watching any English cartoon series or any English movie. Start reading a novel of your interest. Okay, so this will improve your vocabulary. Okay, and you will learn so many new words. Please improve your grammar. Okay, because that's really important if you want to speak correct English. And the most important of all these four things is confidence. Be confident, kids, be confident, and literally you will conquer the world. People will be after you. Okay, trust me. Okay, and why I want you to improve your English is because definitely it will speak for you. Because I have seen in colleges, okay, my sister is a HR. She has told me when she was interviewing so many people, she has told me that literally English speaks for you. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप हिंदी में बात मत करिए, आई एम नॉट सेइंग आप बाकी सब्जेक्ट मत पढ़िए, बट आई एम सेइंग इफ यू वांट टू स्टैंड out of the crowd, okay, if you want to do something out of the box, then definitely you should speak fluent English. Because if you're in college or if you are in an interview, okay, you're really good in maths, you're really good in science, that's really good. Okay, but उन्होंने आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा मैथ्स का, okay, आपने सॉल्व कर दिया है, उन्होंने आपसे कुछ भी आपके बारे में पूछा है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश में पूछा, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, आपको सब कुछ पता है, बट यू डोंट नो how to put it in words. So will you be able to explain it? No, you won't be able to do it. So yes, knowledge is important, plus English is important. Okay, so knowledge plus English is a great combination when you know what to speak and when you know how to speak. These two things, you will just rock your interview. Okay, and for example, you are in just 10th only, I know, so after 2 years you will go in college. So your teachers or your seniors will tell you to introduce yourself in front of so many people. And for example, if you're not able to do it at that time, then you will feel pity. Oh my god, Devanam told us 2 years back, but we didn't pay attention at that time, but now we are facing so many problems. तो यस, जस्ट रिमेंबर इट, यस इंग्लिश इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. और अगर आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में इंग्लिश बोलना आ गई, तो 4 साल में जो आपकी इंग्लिश का लेवल होगा वो कुछ और होगा. और जब आप इंटरव्यू में बैठोगे, you will be a different person because you will be speaking so good English at that time at interviews. And for example, उन्होंने आपसे 10 क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए and you just know the answer of 7 questions. Okay, आपको नहीं आया वो बाकी तीन, but 7 questions में you were quite confident, your English was good, you know, you were speaking so good, so it will reflect in your personality. So when a person's personality is really good, interviewers are like ठीक है यार, तीन क्वेश्चन नहीं भी आते हैं तो let's take her, let's take him. Okay, so I would like to tell you one last story and then we would wrap up this session. आज का normal session नहीं था. I would tell you one last story. Okay, so again that is of my life only. So yeah, when I was in last year of my college, that was fourth year of my college, yes, in 2017, and at that time, you know, that MNC I was talking about, uh, that came to our college for campus placement. Okay, there were so many kids. Trust me, there were so many kids in the first round. Okay, that was the written, that was the apti round. Okay, उसमें जो भी जिनका अच्छा था, they got selected. Okay, तो question वाला round सब कुछ हो गया. First round was cleared by many students. ठीक है, you can say not many, but suppose अगर मुझे याद है 500 बच्चे भी अगर बैठे थे, so almost 200 was selected in this. Okay, then second there was one more round again, उसमें से उन लोगों ने shortlist किए. ठीक है, I was there in the second round also. ठीक है, then there was the third round. Third round I remember that was group discussion round. Okay, अब group discussion तो यार अपना फोटे हो गया. ठीक है, हमने कहा हम तो कर लेंगे यार, कॉन्फिडेंस तो था, बट कहीं ना कहीं डर भी लग रहा था यार, इतनी बड़ी एमएनसी नहीं लिया तो. सो व्हाट दे डिड वाज, अब सेकंड राउंड तक आते आते इसमें बहुत कम बच्चे रह गए थे. सेकंड राउंड वाज डिफिकल्ट, तो यहाँ पे आते आते थर्ड राउंड में बच्चों हार्डली आई रिमेम्बर 40 बच्चे रह गए होंगे. ठीक है, सो व्हाट दे डिड वाज ओनली 40 किड्स रह गए थे. 40 किड्स को उन्होंने अलग अलग रूम में बिठा दिया, 4 कमरों में, 10 स्टूडेंट्स को ऑलमोस्ट. ठीक है, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड दिस ग्रुप डिस्कशन, और उन्होंने ऐसे टॉपिक वॉपिक दे दिया. नाउ यू हैव टू डिस्कस, इफ यू आर इन फेवर स्पीक अबाउट इट, इफ यू आर अगेंस्ट इट तो उसके अगेंस्ट बोलो. तो जैसा भी आपका जो ओपिनियन है, यू हैव टू गिव दैट. ओके, दैट वाज नॉट लाइक अ डिबेट. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में क्या होता है, 5-6 लोग या 10 लोग बैठते हैं एंड देन वी टॉपिक इज गिवन एंड देन वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट इट, यू हैव टू गिव योर पॉइंट. ऐसा नहीं कोई कुछ बोल रहा है तो यू कांट सडनली कट दैट पर्सन. व्हाट यू विल से इज आई एम सॉरी बट आई डोंट अग्री विथ यू. This is how you put your point forward. So third round में there were 40 students from my college, not from my college, from all over the city. Okay, so then there were how many people were selected? Almost I guess 5 or 6 students were selected. Okay, one was my best friend and one was I. Okay, so my best friend, we both were selected for the next round. That was the fourth and the final interview round. Okay, फोर्थ राउंड क्या था बच्चों हम लोग का? फोर्थ राउंड वाज द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू राउंड. ओके, so now it was the personal interview round and out of 6 only we 2 people were selected. That was my friend and me. We both got selected and then we went to Delhi and we started working in that MNC and I learned so many things there also. What I'm trying to say is, okay, literally the topper of my class, she was not selected in the third and fourth round. Okay, ऐसा तो नहीं था she didn't have knowledge. She had I guess all the knowledge. Okay, I have done BTech in electrical engineering. She had all the knowledge, she had read all the books, each and everything was there. But what they were looking for was personality. Okay, so if your personality is good, if your aura is good, तो अगर आपने आपने 10 में से 7 क्वेश्चन का भी आंसर दिया, 3 नहीं भी आया आपको, but if your personality is good, you will get selected. Okay, so again this was not just to say, it was from my personal experience. मेरे क्लास के टॉपर जिनका 9.5 CGPA आता था, they were not able, they were not selected. Okay, but me and my friend, we both got selected and we were average in studies at that time. So that was the icing on the cake. We were, okay, we did it, we are finally going to Delhi. So that was the case. So kids, yes, English is really really important. If you know how to carry yourself, if you know how to portray yourself, if you know what to speak, when to speak, you are sorted and you will rock the world. Okay, so thank you so much. बहुत सारी हो गई आज ज्ञान की बातें. quickly like the video because I made this video just for you, because I wanted to help you all kids. जल्दी से इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, जो है Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. Okay, so thank you so much, kids. If you want to attend my special classes also, please download the Unacademy Learning app. Search my name, that is Divya Chandwani, and start following me there so you will get notification about my special classes also. Okay, thank you so much. And the most important thing is, do not forget to use my awesome referral code, that is Divya10, to get an instant discount of 10%. जब भी आप सब्सक्रिप्शन परचेज कर रहे हैं अभी अक्टूबर में, फटाफट से दिव्या 10 यूज करिए एंड कीप showering your love on me. Love you all kids. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. See you all. Bye bye. Take care.